No. It's actually from Birmingham. So they've got the Suzuki
Oh, it's a Suzuki.
GN 125
Okay.
engine,
Oh, okay.
and but yeah.
It looks like an Indian. It looks really good.
Yeah, they've got the same style. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
definitely.
the Scrambler ones. Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
I love your bike. Is it a 500?
Yeah. It's just 500.
Just.
You know,
Yeah.
coming from a 125 to a 500 is a big jump.
I mean, when I did my full license, I was on a 125, and I went up to 600.
Oh,
I had a
okay.
Suzuki RF 600. So
Oh, okay.
yeah. I even like a few months ago.